in.
Get that lava bubble. Yes!
Alright guys, we're on high stakes. Here's your progressives. We want to hit one, or two, or all of them. We're at Foxwoods today. Let's see if I got all this in here. I do. Okay. We are on the 1 cent deal. Let's hope there's some sound on this. Yes, there is. Okay, we need 6 of those chips or 3 of these cases right here to bonus. Case, you want to do it early? And that guy's wild. Oh, that was $14. That was awesome. The machine is not very loud, so I am sorry. There's only one high stakes here. Do that. Cases. Let's try the 5 cent. A lot of nice people here. We have just met so many friendly people. They want to know what we're doing. A lot of them have met Mr. Handbag. They're excited about that. But everybody's just been so awesome here at Foxwoods. Do that. There's 2 cases. Let's just hang out here for a second. See if we see anything. This is one of my favorite games to play, even though it seems like it's getting harder to get a bonus on them. And I really hate it when there is no sound. Do it. Alright, let's try some. Oh, there's 2. $3.75. Oh, he blocked me. Alright, a little bit there. This is a $3.75 bet. $1.25. There's 2 again. Do it. Alright, let's try the 10 cent. Let's do some, oh, 3. $2.50 and 5. Do it right there, right here, 2. Aw. So disappointing. There's 3. 2 more. 2, 2, 2. No. Alright. Got some Aerosmith playing in the background. Back to the penny, $2.50 and $5. Oh my gosh! Look at those balls. Do that a minute. Okay, be something good. Oh, I wish this sound just does not change. Ooh, $31.50. Alright, we got her. Cases. Not seeing much. 3 more? Is there a 5 in there? No. It's just eating my money.
You know how many points you have?
I don't. 3 more? Yeah, just not seeing a ton. I wish they had Magic Pearl here. I really like that game too. But I have not seen it. They may have it in the high limit room, but we have not ventured in there yet. Two more, two? Come on, cases or chips. Some kind of bonus. We haven't tried the 2 cent. Let's go here. This is the $2 and the $3 bonus bet. Oh, 2. Oh, we got that miner. Look at that, guys. A miner's 100. Sorry, I didn't mean to jerk the camera up there, but I got so excited. Yay! Come on, fill it up now. Don't stop just because you gave me a miner. Oh, come on. Here we go. Yay, we got the miner. Give us some of our money back. Come on. Last spin. Save it. There we go. The rest of these are pretty small. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it. Oh, save it. Oh, that's it. But that's okay. Woohoo! We got the miner! Awesome! 130 on a $2 bet. Pretty good. Look at there. Not quite back to where we started. Well, maybe now we can get those cases. Do it? One more. Oh, I thought for sure we had it that time. Nothing here. All right, back to the 5 cents. Let's try this 250 and 375 again. Maybe the 125 also. There's 3. 3. Come on, do it. 3 more. 3, 3, 3. Cases. One more. There we go. Yeah. Woohoo. We're feeling lucky. Got them on. Let's give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Come on. Let's be good. Clean. How about a chip? How about a chip or a retrigger? Chip? Come on. You got 3 spins left. Oh, retrigger, yeah, okay. Come on, do it, chip. Nothing. Come on, do a little something. Last spin. Nothing there. What was that, 15 bucks? gonna do it again? Three. Three. Oh, we need a 1 and 3. All right, guys, we're gonna move on over and maybe. Hey guys, feeling lucky here. We're on Lightning Link this morning. There's your progressives up there. This is Tiki Fire. There she is. Let's see. We don't play this very often. I don't know why. It's just as good as high stakes and Magic Pearl, but we're gonna give it a shot. Let's get this volume up. I've got $100 in. Alright, it's a little crooked. Let's see what we can do. Start on a $2 bet. Alright, we need 3 volcanoes to bonus. I haven't seen any of the others yet. Tiki's wild, and we need 6 of those volcano balls. Alright, we got some good sound on this one, I think. Alright. $6.
Got a little ammo.
Oh, I got a block. $10.
Yep.
Wow.
This game grew on me. I didn't like it at first, but it actually grew on me.
How about a bonus? Before we get too far into our money, there's 3. Do it. It really helps when you hit a bonus on the front end, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that kind of sets the tone. Then you're not chasing.
Yeah.
Come on.
Mini's 20. We're at Foxwoods this morning, hoping to win some money on. Oh, there we go.
Volcano action. All right.
On our last day here. All right, let's do something amazing. We've got the multipliers on this one. Oh, wow.
Okay. That's what we like to hear. Edie's favorite sound. This is the last thing we hear when we go to sleep.
Oh, look
Oh,
at
that
that.
is a great.
That was awesome. Oh,
Very nice.
major.
Very nice.
One more spin.
Come on.
Uh-oh, I didn't mean to laugh.
Wow.
Lucky stopped it on the last. That's okay.
We'll take it.
160 something bucks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice win.
Nice. Do it. The 2 cent came through.
Yes, it did.
3, 2.
And just for the record, I was the one to talk during the playing this
He
game.
is. I was not going to do it. Do it.
And you notice I say that while she's up.
Uh-huh. I hear you. Let's try the 5 cent. So that was the 2 cent. One more.
Oh, come on.
Okay. Good block.
Blocked us.
We got lava blocked.
Lava blocked.
One more? Oh. Oh, I saw that major.
Yep.
Oh, come on. I don't want to give it all back. 3. That $50 minis.
Come on, Tiki.
Do it. 3.
Oh.
One more. It's
Come on.
teasing.
Get that lava ball. Yes. Yes.
Look at
Very
that.
good. Very good.
Those are $50
Yes,
each.
they are.
Come on. They say bring big numbers, bring big numbers.
Well, I think going forward, I need to start picking the machine.
Okay. You do that. Oh, come on. Don't stop.
Come on, save us. Save us.
Don't stop.
There we go.
How about that mini or that minor?
Okay. Oh, another good one. Another good one. Edie's on fire.
How about that random jackpot? $13,000.
Come on.
Alright, let's
Let's do it right here.
give us a thumbs up. Oh, okay.
Good hit.
Great hit.
Oh, you get the good music.
The trumpet. Nice.
Very nice. Good little hit.
That's even better music.
Yes.
Awesome. Wow, guys. Booyah, baby. That one's for you, Kelly. Yes.
We love us some Kelly.
Yeah, Slot 500, y'all check her out. Okay, we're up 429. Let's play a little bit more. Let's go to the 1 cent now. We haven't played him.
You know, that's always the debate. When you hit decent like that,
Do you
you
keep
keep
going?
playing, you know?
Yeah, I know. Because you think, am I going to hit again?
Yep.
Is it
You
just hit?
You definitely want to change denom. You hit.
Or some people think it's warmed up now. We're gonna hit again.
That's like I said, I don't know what the real philosophy is.
You know, the slot machine doesn't have a memory.
No.
Do that. Do it. Come on. Do that.
Oh, that would be nice.
All right, guys, you know what I'm doing right there. I'm going to take my money and run for the hills. So thanks for watching. Hope you're feeling lucky. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.